What if the secret to fighting diabetes, lowering cholesterol, and melting stubborn belly fat wasn't found in a pharmacy, but in a single leaf you might already have in your kitchen? Imagine waking up and knowing that nature has been holding the answer all along. Sounds unbelievable? Stay with me, because what you're about to hear could change the way you look at your health forever. No, you don't need overpriced pills, risky treatments, or punishing diets that make life miserable. Sometimes the simplest solutions hidden in plain sight carry the most powerful healing. And today, I'll reveal not only one miraculous leaf that's transforming lives, but also several others you can easily add to your routine. Each one has unique, science-backed benefits for your body, your energy, and your long-term health. If you're over 60, you know the struggle. Unpredictable blood sugar spikes, rising cholesterol levels, that stubborn belly weight that refuses to go away no matter how hard you try. It's frustrating, discouraging, and sometimes even scary. But imagine a natural way to fight back, something proven to support your metabolism, protect your heart, and even help your body burn fat while you rest. That's exactly what these leaves can do. In fact, studies now confirm that just one of these leaves holds compounds that restore balance to your system, calm inflammation, and supercharge your metabolism. And before I reveal the single most powerful leaf, I'll show you several others leaves you might already have growing in your garden or tucked away in your tea cabinet. Each one carries a treasure chest of healing benefits for digestion, circulation, cravings, and more. Let me ask you, have you ever used herbal leaves for your health? Maybe peppermint tea to soothe your stomach, or sage to flavor your meals? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences. And while you're here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Health, where every week we bring you natural, science-backed tips to help you live stronger, longer, and healthier. So, are you ready to take the first step toward a lighter, healthier body? Let's dive in. Because the very first leaf on our list might already be sitting quietly in your kitchen, something you've probably enjoyed in teas or candies without realizing its real power. Peppermint. Peppermint isn't just about fresh breath or flavoring your desserts. Behind its cooling aroma lies a natural powerhouse. Imagine sipping a warm cup of peppermint tea. Not only does it soothe your stomach and ease bloating, but it also boosts your metabolism, even when you're at rest. That means your body burns more calories naturally, something that becomes increasingly difficult as we age. But peppermint doesn't stop there. It acts like a gentle detoxifier, flushing out excess fluid that causes that heavy, swollen belly feeling many seniors struggle with. Even more amazing, research shows peppermint helps stabilize blood sugar, prevent dangerous spikes, and curb those relentless cravings for sweets. And let's not forget your heart. Peppermint supports cardiovascular health by lowering bad cholesterol, LDL, raising good cholesterol, HDL, and protecting your arteries from long-term damage. Just one soothing cup of peppermint tea each day can make a noticeable difference in how you feel lighter, calmer, and more balanced. Have you tried peppermint before? Maybe in tea? Maybe in meals? Share your favorite way of using it in the comments below, because your story might inspire someone else to start today. And if you're finding these natural health secrets helpful, hit that like button. It tells YouTube to share this with more people who need it. But peppermint is just the beginning. Up next is a little-known leaf that might surprise you. It's packed with plant protein and fiber, two things your body desperately needs for stable energy and long-lasting satiety. This isn't just another herb, it's a nutritional powerhouse you'll want to know about. Let's explore. We've just seen how powerful natural leaves can be, and the journey doesn't stop there. The next ones on our list are equally impressive, each with the potential to transform your blood sugar, cholesterol, and even that stubborn belly fat. Holy basil, for example, is more than just an herb. It's been celebrated for centuries as a healing leaf. Beyond balancing blood sugar and protecting your heart, it acts like a natural detox, flushing out excess fluids and harmful toxins that make you feel heavy, bloated, and tired. Have you ever tried holy basil tea or used it in cooking? If so, you know how refreshing and cleansing it feels. And just when you think you've seen it all, here comes oregano. Most people think of it only as a pizza topping, but oregano is a secret weapon for your metabolism. Packed with antioxidants, it calms inflammation, shields your cells from damage, and improves insulin sensitivity. That means fewer sugar spikes, more stable energy, and fewer cravings pulling you off track. On top of that, oregano helps lower harmful LDL cholesterol, boosts good HDL cholesterol, and clears out your arteries to give your heart lasting protection. Do you sprinkle oregano on soups or salads? If not, you might want to start. Next is a humble leaf you probably already have in your fridge: parsley. Don't let its simple appearance fool you. Parsley is one of nature's best diuretics, helping your body flush out excess sodium, fluid, and toxins. The result? Less bloating around the belly, reduced strain on your kidneys, and better heart health. Even more, parsley improves how your body responds to insulin, which means steadier blood sugar and more consistent energy throughout the day. It also lowers cholesterol, eases inflammation, and supports your liver. With vitamins A, C, and K, plus minerals like potassium and iron, parsley is a nutrient powerhouse hiding in plain sight. Do you add parsley to your meals or blend it into juices? Share your favorite way below. But the surprises don't end there. Imagine a leaf that soothes your nerves, lowers stress, and at the same time balances blood sugar and reduces belly fat. That's lemon balm. Known for its calming scent, lemon balm goes far beyond relaxation. It improves insulin use in your body, fights chronic inflammation, and even lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that tells your body to hold on to belly fat. By supporting circulation, digestion, and healthy blood pressure, this gentle herb works quietly yet powerfully. Ever tried lemon balm tea before bedtime? It's both calming and healing. And if you thought mint was only for freshening your breath, think again. Mint is a true multitasker. It soothes the digestive system, eases bloating, and helps your body process food more efficiently, meaning less discomfort and better fat breakdown. With its mild diuretic effect, mint also helps release excess fluid and sodium, reducing that puffy, swollen feeling many people experience. Even better, it stabilizes blood sugar by improving insulin sensitivity, while its antioxidants protect your cholesterol levels and heart function. Have you added mint to your water or salads? It's one of the easiest, most refreshing ways to bring health benefits into your daily routine. Finally, let's not forget basil, a fragrant kitchen favorite that doubles as a health powerhouse. Basil helps regulate blood sugar by making your cells more responsive to insulin, which prevents those dangerous highs and lows. It's also a strong anti-inflammatory, tackling one of the hidden root causes of weight gain, insulin resistance, and heart disease. Beyond its delicious flavor, basil is quietly protecting your body from the inside out. And we're still only scratching the surface. Up next, we'll explore another leaf so powerful it's often called a natural healer, a leaf that calms inflammation, strengthens your heart, and keeps your body balanced in ways modern medicine is only beginning to understand. Stay with me, because you won't want to miss what's coming. We've already seen how basil can help balance blood sugar, lower cholesterol, and even ease stress by calming cortisol. But nature still has more powerful allies waiting for us. Take the humble dandelion. You've probably seen it sprouting in your yard and thought of it as nothing more than a weed. Yet hidden inside those leaves is one of nature's most powerful detoxifiers. Dandelion cleanses your liver, the organ that decides how your body handles fat, sugar, and toxins. A healthy liver means smoother metabolism, easier fat loss, and less stubborn belly weight. Imagine feeling lighter because your body is no longer bogged down by excess waste. Dandelion also acts as a natural diuretic, flushing out extra fluid and sodium so you don't feel bloated or swollen. Beyond that, it improves insulin response, steadies blood sugar, reduces bad LDL cholesterol, and calms inflammation in your digestive tract and blood vessels. Have you ever sipped dandelion tea or tossed the greens into a salad? If not, you might be overlooking a simple healing gift from nature. And then there's rosemary, a fragrant herb most of us know from cooking. But behind its aroma lies a true powerhouse for metabolism and heart health. Rosemary improves insulin sensitivity, helping your body handle sugar smoothly instead of turning it into fat. The result? More stable energy and less fat stored around your waistline. Rosemary also lowers LDL cholesterol, boosts circulation, and protects your arteries. What makes it unique is how it sparks your body's own fat-burning engines, your mitochondria. These tiny energy factories inside your cells become more active, burning more fat as fuel. Combined with its natural anti-inflammatory and detox effects, rosemary helps release toxins and ease swelling. Next time you cook, sprinkle some rosemary or brew it into a tea and let your body feel the difference. But the surprises don't stop there. Did you know that the avocado leaf, yes, from the same creamy fruit you love, can protect your heart, liver, and kidneys? Few people realize that these leaves are among the most anti-inflammatory nature has to offer. They boost insulin use, preventing sugar from turning into belly fat. They also break down liver fat, something many people don't even realize they carry. By lowering bad cholesterol and raising the good, avocado leaves improve circulation and shield your heart from disease. On top of that, they flush out excess fluid like a gentle diuretic, leaving you lighter and less swollen. Ever heard of avocado leaf tea? It might sound unusual, but once you try it, you'll understand why it's considered a hidden gem. And what about the sweet-scented mango leaf? Most people only know the fruit, but its leaves carry stunning benefits. Rich in antioxidants, mango leaves improve insulin balance, keeping your blood sugar steady and preventing energy crashes. That means fewer cravings, more control, and less fat stored around your belly. These leaves even help activate enzymes that turn stored fat into usable energy, making your body burn more of what weighs you down. Along with lowering cholesterol and calming inflammation, mango leaves gently support your metabolism and overall wellness. Have you ever brewed mango leaf tea? If not, this could be the discovery that makes you rethink how powerful simple leaves can be. Finally, consider bay leaves something you might already use in soups or stews without realizing their full potential. Bay leaves aid digestion by boosting enzymes that break down food more efficiently, reducing bloating, and preventing fat buildup. They also improve insulin sensitivity, which keeps blood sugar stable, a critical step in managing or preventing diabetes. These fragrant leaves lower LDL cholesterol, protect arteries, and support circulation, giving your heart the care it deserves. With a mild diuretic effect, bay leaves also reduce water retention and swelling around the belly. Do you cook with bay leaves? If so, you've been giving your body more than flavor, you've been giving it health. And yet, nature's pharmacy doesn't stop here. Up next, we'll look at a leaf rich in flavonoids, a natural fighter against inflammation, sugar spikes, and stubborn belly fat all working together to restore balance to your body. You won't want to miss this one. We've just discovered the incredible power of the mulberry leaf, an often overlooked gift of nature that supports your metabolism, balances blood sugar, strengthens circulation, and even helps burn stubborn belly fat. And yet, nature still has one more treasure that stands above them all. Meet the olive leaf, perhaps the most powerful of all. Rich in a remarkable compound called oleuropein, this leaf has been studied for its ability to bring balance to blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. That means fewer dangerous sugar spikes, less fat stored around the belly, and steadier energy throughout the day. Olive leaves also work wonders for your heart. By lowering harmful LDL cholesterol and raising the good HDL, they help keep your arteries clean, protecting you from heart attack and stroke. But the benefits don't end there. Olive leaves actually switch on fat-burning enzymes and help reduce fat stored in the liver, making them one of the best natural tools for total metabolic support. Imagine not just controlling diabetes or cholesterol, but truly transforming your health from the inside out. Have you ever tried olive leaf tea or supplements? If so, you know how powerful it can be. If not, maybe today is the day to explore this ancient remedy. And that brings us to the bigger picture. From peppermint to parsley, sage to rosemary, avocado leaves to mulberry, and finally olive leaves. Each one offers something unique. Some stabilize blood sugar, others lower cholesterol, some fight inflammation, and others help melt away stubborn belly fat. But together, they all share one truth. Nature has already given us simple, effective tools to restore balance and strength to our bodies. The best part? These remedies aren't complicated. You don't need expensive pills, risky treatments, or overwhelming routines. Sometimes, real healing begins with something as simple as a warm cup of tea, a handful of fresh herbs, or a sprinkle of leaves on your dinner plate. Small, consistent choices can create life-changing results. So now, I want to hear from you. Are any of these healing leaves already part of your daily life? Have you tried a peppermint tea, a sprig of rosemary, or maybe even mulberry or olive leaf? Share your experience in the comments below. Your story could be the spark that inspires someone else to take their first step toward better health. If this video encouraged or inspired you, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to Total Senior Health, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our weekly tips. And if you know someone who's struggling with diabetes, cholesterol, or weight, consider sharing this video with them. You could be giving them the hope they've been waiting for. Remember this: the most powerful solutions are often the simplest. From the garden to the teacup, nature's medicine is within reach. You don't have to feel weighed down, tired, or hopeless. With small daily choices, you can take control, feel stronger, and live lighter. Take care of yourself, stay inspired, and get ready, because in our next video, we'll reveal another natural secret that can boost your energy, protect your heart, and help you enjoy life to the fullest. You won't want to miss it.